Elevate your grilling experience and savor the rich, smoky flavors of charcoal grilling on the Kamado Charcoal Grill. This grill's ceramic interior ensures superior heat retention and an evenly heated cooking surface. The stainless steel cooking grate offers a spacious cooking surface for searing steaks, slow cooking ribs, or baking wood-fired pizzas. The grate flips open on one side to make adding more lump charcoal simple while grilling. It also includes a heavy-duty wheeled stand which offers mobility and stability, making it easy to move around the patio or deck. Lock the wheels before heating the grill to ensure it remains in place during cooking. 2 bamboo side tables are ideal for prepping your food, holding spices, and other grilling necessities. They fold down when not in use. Before cooking any food, you'll want to cure your grill to burn off any manufacturing residue and prevent the ceramic from cracking. Check out the curing instructions in the manual. The Kamado Grill Smoker is easy to use. Simply add newspaper or a natural fire starter, then your lump charcoal, and light it with a fire stick. Leave the lid and bottom vent open for 10 minutes before prepping your grill for food. Add your grill grate before the grill is fully heated so it can slowly heat up. When the grill is roughly 50 degrees cooler than your temperature goal, start closing vents down so they are both partially open. Now you can add your food. Close the cover and wait 15 to 20 minutes before checking the temperature. The built-in thermometer makes monitoring cooking temperatures simple. The cast iron adjustable top vent and stainless steel adjustable bottom vent give you precise control over airflow and temperature, allowing for a range of cooking techniques from slow cooking to high temperature searing. If it's too hot, close everything down and wait for the temperature to come down. Keep adjusting the vents or adding charcoal as needed. The Kamado is self-cleaning. Simply heat it up to 500 degrees for 30 minutes and it will scorch off all the food and debris. Do not use water or any cleaning products. The walls are porous and will absorb any liquids that could cause the grill to crack. If the soot becomes excessive, use a wire brush or an ash tool to remove. To clean the grates, remove them and scrub with a non-abrasive cleaner. Rinse thoroughly before placing back on the grill. The outer surfaces may be wiped down with a damp cloth and mild detergent. It's also a great idea to do some general maintenance like tightening the bands and oiling the hinge at least twice a year to keep it in good working condition. Crafted for grilling enthusiasts, this versatile charcoal barbecue grill and smoker brings the authentic flavors of traditional barbecue right to the backyard.